God is within her, she will not fail. Psalm 46:5. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bilwat Fair. I'm a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria, and now that I'm on YouTube, I guess I'm a YouTuber. So today we are going to come with me to work. I have an appointment with the client. I've showed this content before, 2 days ago, but just not giving what I wanted to get. I'm shooting it again with the same client. We book 2 appointments, one on Thursday and one today. So we'll be going. I'm all dressed up, as you guys see. I packed my done my list, etc. Now I'm just packing. I'm not going to go with my box today because I really don't want to pack a lot. So I'll just go with the things that I only need for her, and yes, come me. So we're going to watch me pack just the things I will need for her alone. Yes. I know that this second time or third time you've seeing this top on me. I was thinking of like wearing something different because I've worn this top from my last video. But I mean, I really find this top is actually very, very nice, and it's just well. Shout out to my bestie who made this dress for me. I'll tag her in the description. Take this palette, set up the other. I'm gonna drop this. I really like this because of I like the shade for blush from Dark Skin, and this shade of brown is beautiful. This brown shade, if I'm looking for Yanni's Beauty, is right here, but I don't know why the sharp. I think I'm gonna drop this and take this. This one has a lot of shimmers, so in case you decide to want to do shimmers, I'll be carrying my own chunk of pigment or just do with this. And that's beautiful nude shades as well. So after that, this one's back. I don't know, I'm packing more things. I don't have silver shade, then print, then lip gloss, then another lip gloss, and I'm sorry, because I've carried out, so I'll just stop in here of addiction. I'm going to put it inside. Just so I get clients that want to do their makeup and 3 extra concealers. Then I'll use my mirror. Then this is my little lash scissors and my tweezers. And I'll also be taking my phone tripod, which I'm using right now, and my lights. So I'm going to arrange this all later in a box thing. Yeah! Ah, this is heavy! Oh my god.
Salabugaye, 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 salabugaye. Sunday, she's into good. She's sempre na frio, man frio, ziwa, man ziwa. Nzo buya music, nzo buya music. Tulivina mandome zana yo kala mafana.
got back by 11 p.m. on Thursday.
Hey.
Was it? Okay, so it was not because of traffic. You guys
No.
just left.
Not even it was almost 10.
Wow.
Until they said they want to off the lights. No traffic. We didn't get up.
That was nice. What a party. Hope you don't rub anything on your face.
No, I didn't.
Okay, so.
I learned already from the last one.
Yay. So I'll just have that your serum and moisturizer again.
At least maybe to even help this one to stay today. It help the week to stay in one place. Then by tomorrow I'll go and wash. Mufeshi, then the big cut. I'm gonna fix it on my hair and then I'll be traveling.
Are you going back very soon?
Monday, I just go.
Wow.
It's so close, you see. I just came because of daddy and because of this wedding. If not, I would have waited until December. Titi look back, look down right. Yeah, my makeup was really nice that day. And it stayed, yeah, it was really nice. And it stayed like all. What is this? What is this lipstick? What is this?
This is like nude and red together. And I said nude and pink.
Something like that will work for me. Yeah, that with a touch of pink. No game.
Okay. The last introduction, they did something like that.
There was no game.
Is that what? Yes. If they didn't do it for the introduction, they did it for the
There was no game. Yes, they didn't. Just. I was happy that we did not go on time. No, because we got the introduction was 4 p.m.
Wow. Can you imagine?
And I said, we say thank God. So which one does a better job, the brush or that's foam?
Yeah. People prefer the foam, but I like the brush better because you don't need to use much product. The little pump of foundation can like spread, but if I'm using the beauty blender, I just suck everything.
So economically prudent.
And it's beginner friendly, the beauty blender. The brush, you have to be like a pro bottom brush. Okay, go mommy. Flaunt your hair for us. Hey, yeah mama.